anything on it.
I got fries.
It only had like $2 and some change on it. So I was like, okay.
We can go like you could probably get yourself a candy bar with that.
Candy bar, candy bar, candy bar.
Desi, I got to see Mommy 3 days in a row.
Okay.
Because yesterday I got to see her today.
Because hot dogs are made in pancake juice.
No! You might. Pancake juice
It's not a lie when you stretch the truth.
is the lie.
It's not a lie because it's just being stretched. You know how your ligaments and muscles need to be stretched before you do any hard work. You must do these things in order to not hurt yourself. So by stretching the truth, you're not hurting yourself. You need to stop.
Did you hear that ball?
I said stop.
Whoa,
Did you hear that
you
ball
went
like
cross-eyed.
Oh, did you hear 2 bolts?
I thought that was Elena tooting. Quit tooting, Cass!
Elena, shut up.
I got them.